welcome. I'm happy you decided to stop by because today I'll be making a ham, cheese, and egg sandwich, but not the way we usually make it. We're going to mix it up a little bit. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to break 2 eggs, and if you don't trust yourself, just break them in another dish and pour them in. We're going to add some half and half, just a little bit. That should do it. Some salt. Pepper. I'm going to mix this up. And this is pretty quick. Make sure you mix this well. We're going to set this aside. Set the eggs aside. Okay, here I have some wax paper. And here I have some butter. I already have it on my brush. I just use a paintbrush. Same thing. And I'm using some rustic white. Let's open this up. I have a couple to make. I may as well make them at the same time. And if you have to go to work in the morning or something, you can make these. Wrap them up, put them in the fridge. Heat them up in the morning, and you're good to go. Yep. Okay, I have some Black Forest ham here, some deli cut. You can use any kind you like. Let's get this ready. I'm gonna get this ready. I also have some white American cheese. I have it sliced from the deli also. And I have some cheddar. Same thing. Sliced from the deli. Straight from the deli. Just do it like that because to keep me from wasting, I just get what I need. And so we're going to take some of this cheddar. Put it there. On your dry bread. Same thing with the other one. Yep, just like that. You want it inside of your bread. Just try to keep it inside. Get in there. Behind those lines. And I'm going to take some of this Black Forest ham. I would like for it to fit inside of the bread instead of hanging off. Let me do one more. I'm going to do 3 slices. And again here. Get that up there. 1. 2 and 3. And then on top, I'm going to add my white cheddar. One, couple slices, just like the bottom. Yeah, we're going to place it where it's inside the bread once again. Excuse me, I'll set this aside. Okay, and I have my cast iron pan here. I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to wipe it with butter first. Pretty good. You want a nice amount of butter in there. I'm going to close this up. We're going to take these sandwiches and we're going to dip them in this egg. I'm going to bring my pan back because I don't want it to get too hot too fast. To the pan. And I have a weight that I'm going to put on top of it. I'll let that brown up. Put that over. If you don't have a weight, you can just put another frying pan that fits inside the one that you have. And I'm applying a little pressure. Don't turn it up too high, just let it take its time getting brown. It'll burn fast. You know how eggs are. Check it out. That's nice. We'll do this side. Just for another, minute? Not quite a minute, just a few seconds. Just let it brown up a little bit more. Okay. That's nice. We turn this pan down. That's the only thing you have to be careful because these pans burn really quickly. But we're going to stand it up because we know we had egg on that side. Here we go. Gonna cook that some. Get those sides. Wanna make sure you get all that egg cooked. Okay, we browned all our sides. See? You want to make sure you have all of the egg cooked. And I have one more, and we're going to do the same thing. Let it sit here so it can stay warm. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to add some more butter. Put it in the egg. You don't want it to sit too long. Yeah, just somewhere that has most of the pepper on it, but that is fine with me. Okay. We're going into the pan. Gonna add our weight. And let that do its thing. Remember, don't turn it up too high. You see how it begin to smoke? So just keep it on low and just let it take its time. Let's see what's going on up here. I took my weight off. Watch your heat. I'm going to add a little pressure. Let's flip it again. You want that egg to cook. Low pressure. And again, we're going to brown the sides, because you want to make sure that you have that egg cooked all the way around. Excuse me, step right in front of you. Let me see. Yeah, it's nice and forked. Just making sure I have all that egg cooked on the sides. Turn it off though. And it's quite hot enough. Quite hot enough. Okay. Just see what it looks like before I cut it. Oh yeah. Just gonna cut it. And if you like, you can add some syrup, some jelly, or whatever. I'll put that there like that. I want you to see. I know you can't see good, but that's a ham and egg sandwich. Ham, cheese, and egg. Yeah. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I had a ball. I hope you did too. And remember to pray. Then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Pray. Would you like this video? Would you give me a thumbs up? If you didn't like it, would you give me a thumbs up? Subscribe if you haven't. Tap that bell if you haven't. Share it with your friends. Share it with your family. And please comment. I would love to hear from you. Well, that's it. And that's all. Later.